Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn or get XP fast on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and, of course, open the application as I'm going to do right now. And of course, if you already have an account, just log into your account and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just, as I said, I open my application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And as we said, we would like to get XP as fast as possible. So all we need to do first is just, as you can see, first of all, that will be actually our home or our main screen on the application. And your main screen could be different. As you can see, the color is changing if I go to a down level. So your main screen will change if you have another language, another progress, and etc. Okay, so as we said, if you want to get XP as fast as possible, all you need to do, you'll need to attend your courses daily. Like, you'll not want to miss any like courses, so just go day per day and attend your courses. And of course, if you want to get XP more, you would like not to make mistakes, to have a lot of hearts if you want to continue making more courses. And of course, if you go here to your profile, if you achieve some achievements, you can collect them from here, which will give you XP. As you can see, earn XP. And lastly, you can just go here, click at the gems, and get this super feature, of course. So if you click on that, of course, you have 2 weeks for free if you want to test it. You will have unlimited heart, so even if you make mistakes in the learning, you will not lose hearts. So as you can see, you have just for 5 hearts now, but if you use the super, you will not lose hearts. That means you can keep learning whenever or however you want, and that will actually give you more XP. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.